Israeli troops have seized the 900-year-old Beaufort Castle in southern Lebanon. The military announced the operation on Sunday. It also said forces took control of the surrounding ridge and nearby strategic areas. The location overlooks large parts of southern Lebanon and northern Israel. The Israeli military said the advance was focused on the Beaufort Ridge and the Wadi Ali Saluki region. It said the goal was to weaken the capabilities of Hezbollah and destroy military infrastructure in the area. Israel described the site as a key position used for attacks against its territory. Beaufort Castle is a medieval fortress with a long history. It sits on a high ridge and provides wide visibility over the surrounding region. Military analysts say its position makes it strategically important in border conflicts. The Israeli army said the site had been used by the Iran-backed group Hezbollah for launching attacks. It claimed that hundreds of rockets and projectiles were fired from the area towards Israeli civilians and soldiers. Israel said its forces target launch position and support infrastructure during the operation. One Israeli soldier was killed during the fighting, according to the military statement. No further details about the circumstance were immediately released. There was no immediate response from Lebanon or Hezbollah regarding the seizure of the castle. Independent verification of battlefield claims has not been possible. The operation comes during continued tensions along the Israel-Lebanon border. Although a ceasefire framework was announced weeks ago, fighting has not fully stopped. Cross-border fire has continued in several areas. The Israeli military said Saturday saw one of the heaviest days of rocket fire from Hezbollah in recent months. It said multiple rockets and drones were launched towards northern Israel. This led to school closure and emergency restrictions in several communities. In response, Israel increased military operations along the border region. It said the goal is to push Hezbollah forces further away from Israeli towns and reduce the threat of rocket attacks. The capture of Beaufort Castle gives Israeli forces a high ground position. From their troops can observe large areas of southern Lebanon. Military officials say this improves surveillance and defensive capabilities. Hezbollah has been engaged and in repeated exchanges of fire with Israel since the border regional conflicts escalated. The group says its actions are linked to ongoing tensions involving Gaza and regional allies. Israel says its operations are defensive and aimed at stopping attacks on civilians. The situation along the border remains unstable. Both sides continue to exchange fire in limited but persistent the clashes. The risk of further escalation remains high. The Israeli military says operations will continue in the area. It says it will act against any remaining militant infrastructure on the ridge and nearby valleys. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.